And you really want to Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply false eyelashes, and I'm not claiming this to be the right way to do that. This is my way, and if you have another routine, that's totally fine. This is for the ones who are interested in my routine. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I really suggest you to do that. Just click the button down there and the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. So with no further ado, let's get into this. We are going to use these eyelashes from Wish because I'm not going anywhere today, so I don't want to use my full glam lashes. And I already cut these after my eye size or my eyelid space. I don't know how to say that, okay? But originally they are a bit longer. So I just take out one of the eyelashes from the packaging with my tweezer. And if I hadn't already, I would put it and measure where I want to cut it, because some of them are too long for me, so you really have to measure with your own eye. Some people may not need to cut them. I do. I use one of these scissors. I do one little cut at a time and measure so I don't cut off too much. When you have cut your lashes, you want to put on the lash glue. I use one from Duo. It's the strip lash adhesive in white clear, so it dries down transparent, and that's good because if you mess up and get glue on your lid or something, or in your face, it doesn't show. But I have seen that some people use the black lash glue and it works just as fine if you're feeling confident in applying lashes. I do not. I rather use this. But when you applied this, you can see it a bit. It's a little yeah, you will see later. So I actually, after applying it and I let it dry, I apply some eyeliner, but I'll show you later. So let's start applying this on the lash. And also, when you're cutting the lash, you want to cut it in the outer end, not inner end, because that will look really weird. So remember to always cut the outer end of the lash. So I just take the lash with the tweezer and some of the glue. So now I just wait for it to dry a bit. While I'm doing that, I take some mascara, and you can apply the mascara after. It really doesn't matter, but I do it before. When it dried a bit, I take the lash like this, my mirror. So I just let it go and let it sit there for a while, and then I start to drag it where I want it. And you want it as close to the lash, your real lashes, as possible. Almost on top of them instead of the lid. You see how the inner corner not sticking, so I take it with the tweezer and push it. When I feel like the lash is in place, if this is the lash and this is the tweezer, I take it in the middle and press. You know, it's hard to describe. I will try to show you. Press from both sides. So I press the glue, the false lash and my real lashes together. And this can be hard sometimes, so make sure you don't have glue on the tweezer, and if you do, take it off. Otherwise it will just get stuck. Now I'm happy with that, so we do the other. Put on some glue. So I think I'm happy with that. So I'm just letting them dry for a bit, and remember to reapply them if it feels weird in any way, because if the lash is irritating your eye, it will start to watering and the eyelash will fall off. So instead of just ignoring it, you should take the lash off and reapply it, because it won't sit for long if you don't. So that's really, really important. So I just take a regular eyeliner pen. This is from NYX, the Epic Ink Liner. So even though the lash glue has dried, you still can see some of it being white. So I just take my pen and apply it over it. With some lash glues, you can't do that, applying the eyeliner on top, because it's like dissolving the lash glue, so the lash falls off, but never had that problem with this one. So I really love it, and this will last you for a long, long time, so well invested money, even though I don't think it's so expensive. So now they're in place and they look good. So let's apply some more mascara. So I just take some of it again, almost in the roots of your lashes, just to make sure you haven't missed any and make them blend into the false lashes. And applying on the lower lashes as well. Be sure to never apply mascara on the outer ends of the false eyelash, because that will look really, really weird and really fake. So just on the root to make sure that everything is blended together or pressed together, so you have a seamless look. The lashes are really a game changer. When you started using them, you won't stop. That's everything for the lashes, but before we end this video, I want to say that this will be the first video of a new mini-series where I'm talking about all the steps of makeup. So this is dedicated to the lashes. In the next, I will maybe talk about brushes or foundation or powders or how to contour. You know, I will go on the depth and really explain. And of course, I'm not a makeup god or anything. I'm not saying I'm a pro at this. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but I have played with makeup for years, and I found ways to do things that I really enjoy, and I really want to share with all of you my tips and tricks and routines, and especially for you who are beginners at makeup. Maybe you never have applied lashes in your whole life. Then this video will be really educational for you. So no matter how far you have come on your makeup journey, I still want you to get something from looking at my videos. So with that said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please comment, like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. And I see you in the next video. Bye!